If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
La 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 la. Huh.
Don't worry, the bee has been trained with sharp objects.
And he gives a lot of kisses. Oh, give me some kisses. All right. Here we go. And mail call that came in a few days ago. Don't ask us. I forgot. I didn't forget what century it is. So here we go. Looks like a Conklin again. Well, let's see what kind it is. All right. This is a super cool Conklin pen. If you don't know what it is yet, I'll fill you in when I review it. This is definitely a cool pen. Man, I love the way it feels, looks, the textures in it, the colors in it. It just pops. So, my friends, I'm going to leave you at that. So, I will talk to you later.